Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj. I bought a new TV last year, but I never got chance to upload the unboxing video, so I'm posting it today. Before I open, let me show you all the features marked outside the box. This TV has Hey Google and Alexa built in. This is the OLED Slim, only 3.9 mm thickness. It comes with a magic remote. I really like this remote. Its built-in quality is really good, and when you start using this magic remote, you really like it because it's very easy to operate the TV. This is LG 65C1 model, which is 65-inch. I bought this at Costco, so after tax it came out around $2,500, and I paid another $100 to get 5 years extended warranty. Alright, now let's open it up and see what's inside the box. This is a magic remote. It's nice they've given 2 batteries for the remote. Like I told you, this TV is very thin, so if you have to lift it, you might get scared because you might feel it's going to break because it's very thin, like an iPad, but it's huge. I need to put the TV down to install the stand, but the thing is you have to be very careful when you put the glass down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these Reggie foams to put the TV in. So I'm going to put this inside the boxes to make like a bed, and then I'm going to put the TV on so it wouldn't break. Now I put the TV flat. I'm going to install the stand.
Blackbird.
ASMR.
Where's my dad's?
Press the OK button here on your remote. OK. Select installation method. The magic remote is connected successfully. 15, 18.